Welcome to this tour of the constellation Auriga, one of the most recognizable winter constellations in the northern sky. In this video, we'll explore where to find Auriga and examine some of its most interesting stars and deep sky objects. All of the astrophotographs you'll see were taken by me using my smart telescopes. Auriga is best seen during the winter months in the northern hemisphere. Look high overhead in the evening sky, where it forms a large pentagon shape. Its brightest star, Capella, shines prominently and makes Auriga easy to locate. Nearby constellations include Taurus and Gemini, helping you orient yourself in the rich region of the sky. Capella is the brightest star in Auriga and one of the brightest stars in the entire night sky. It's actually a system of multiple stars orbiting each other. Nearby is Messier, another bright star that forms part of Auriga's distinctive shape. Together, these stars help define the constellation's outline and guide observers to its deep treasures. Auriga represents a charioteer in Greek mythology, often associated with Aristonaios, an early king of Athens and a skilled horseman. In many depictions, Auriga is shown holding a goat represented by the bright star Capella. The constellation reflects ancient stories that connected the patterns of the skies to figures of legends and everyday life. Capella is the brightest star in Auriga and one of the brightest stars visible in the night sky. It appears as a strong golden light and is easy to recognize once Auriga is located. Capella is about 43 light years away and is actually a multiple star system, though it appears as a single star, bright to the eye. Messier 36 is a young open cluster located about 4,000 light years from Earth. It contains several dozen hot blue-white stars that formed from the same molecular cloud. Because of its relative young age, many of its stars are still bright and massive. Clusters like M36 help astronomers study how stars form and evolve over time. Messier 37 is the richest open cluster in Auriga, containing several hundred stars spread across 20 light years. It is older than M36, which is why it contains more red giant stars, evidence of stellar formation at work. Its dense population and wide range of star types make it an excellent laboratory for studying how star clusters age. Messier 38 lies about 4,200 light years away and is somewhat older than Messier 36. Its stars are more closely bound, and the cluster showed signs of gradual dispersal over time. Open clusters like M38 are not permanent structures. Gravitational interactions slowly pull them apart, spreading their stars into the galaxy over hundreds of millions of years. IC 405, the Flaming Star Nebula, is both an emission and reflection nebula located about 1,500 light years away. Its glow comes from energized hydrogen gas, as well as starlight reflected by dust. The nearby star AE Auriga is a runaway star moving rapidly through space and illuminating the surrounding gas, creating the nebula's striking appearance. NGC 2281 is a relatively nearby open cluster at a distance of about 1,600 light years. Its stars are loosely grouped and relatively young, having formed from the same cloud of gas and dust. Because it is less densely packed, it provides a good contrast to the richer clusters in Auriga and shows another stage of stellar development. Thank you for joining me on this tour of the constellation Auriga. From nearby star systems like Capella to distant clusters thousands of light years away, Auriga offers a cross-section of stellar astronomy. These objects help us understand how stars form, evolve, and disperse across the sky. Thank you for watching in clear skies.